Alright guys, FatSkills88 for video number 2 of this pack opening. See what I'm going to get. Come on. Second time lucky, I think. My first video, for some reason, decided I want to cut a lot of the end out, so we'll get this one up and running here. We've got nothing. As usual, nothing at all. Pack number 2. What are you gonna have? What are you gonna get? Nothing. One horrible Macam person. Come on, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Inform. No. Inform, give me an inform, please. No. Bo. Jesus! It's Jesus! Not back from the living dead. Oh my God. Come on, I want something in this pack. De Rossi. Not an inform. Oh, Mavuba. Ramsey. Who are you gonna bring to me? Juan Fran. What are we going to get here? Fabianski. I'm watching what we're gonna get, and that's gonna be uniform. Oh, look, we've got Rolando again. Wonderful. Another crap pack. Who have we got? Who have we got? Nobody. Up. Charles and Zogbia. Only got a few more packs left to open here, and we've still not had nothing, which is not a surprise. Oh, Mingele for the second time today. Oh. Ah, yes, just the same. Nah. You are shit. You never give me anything. Johnson again. 3 more packs after this one, and I still haven't had an inform. Oh. Stephen Taylor. Give me some luck on these last ones. Second from last one. Come on. Schiller. Not too bad. I think you sell for about 20k. Pack of the day. And it is Montoya, who I already have. Alright guys, it's been emotional and I hope you've enjoyed it. We've had nothing and we're going to get nothing for the rest of the day. Alright, peace out from FatSkills88. Good night.